In this video, we're going to teach you how to do a flat dumbbell chest press. Make sure you stick around to the end because we're going to go through everything that you need to know for this movement. The setup, the coaching cues, everything. Enjoy.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Semi-supinated grip dumbbell chest press. We use this in phase 1 to uncover and correct imbalances from left to right side and to increase shoulder mobility as the neutral grip allows for greater range of motion. To set up, start with the dumbbells on your knees and as you lay down, bring them up to your shoulders. Pull your feet back under your butt, arch your back and pull your shoulders down into your back pockets. This position creates a strong base to press from as the scapula acts as a platform for the arms to press off.
Hey there, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the founders of Unity Gym and creators of the UMS, Unify Movement System, where we make people strong, flexible and fit all in 1 hour workouts. Now the video that you're watching is just a portion of the UMS online coaching program. You can grab a 1-month trial, a 30-day free trial if you click the link in the description of this video. Now of course if you like this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to the channel. We post videos like this every week. And if you want to get started with us at all, you can grab one of the blueprints below here. There's the strength blueprint, the flexibility blueprint, the at-home workouts blueprint. We've got a whole bunch of really great freebies that you can get. Or if you want to grab one of our programs, you can grab one of our standalone programs like the 18-minute stretching routine, flexibility masterclass, or gymnastics rings masterclass, to name just a few. And as I said before, if you're ready to jump in, really take your results to the next level and see what this amazing UMS online coaching program is like, grab the 30-day free trial where you'll get coached by myself, Richard, and my brother Yanni. Whenever you want, you can upload videos to the private group that we've got and you get access to the full program. 6 days a week of training, 6 different workouts in the week and new workouts every 4 weeks.
The arch adds to the strength by allowing recruitment of the lats in the movement, and the feet positioned under the butt with heels pressed down allow for glute activation for extra support. At first, this position can be quite uncomfortable. With practice, you will get used to it, and once it becomes easy for you, then you are ready to start lifting some serious weight. Until then, focus on technique and quality of the movement over anything else. It is important to note that whenever you lift weights, you hold your breath with your lungs full. If you need to breathe, you only take a breath at the top of the movement, and you breathe out only a small amount of your lung capacity before breathing in all the way again and holding your breath for the entire rep, all the way up and down. If you can hold your breath for several reps, this is recommended. This is because breathing out causes the body to relax, reducing strength potential. When you are pressing weights, you want your body tense and strong. Mastering this breathing technique is critical for maximal strength development in all weightlifting movements. Once you've set up and are ready for your first rep, the 3 cues to think of are: set shoulders back and down, press with elbows under wrists, be intentional with end ranges.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.